The number one cause of water heater failure is sediment buildup in the tank. This is Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about how to remove that sediment right after this.
When your backyard feels like a private resort, every day is like being on vacation. So enter the Backyard Paradise contest at todayshomeowner.com for a chance to win your own luxurious landscape. The pros from Pavestone and Quikrete will design a project just for the winner's home and help Danny and his team install it. Plus, the whole process will be featured on an episode of Today's Homeowner. So get your yard ready for summer. Complete your entry right now at todayshomeowner.com/backyardparadise. Brought to you by Pavestone and Quikrete.
Replacing a faulty water heater is both expensive and aggravating, but you can extend the life of your water heater by draining the tank and flushing away sediment at least once a year. Here's all you have to do. For electric heaters, turn off the power at the breaker box. For gas units, turn the fuel control to the pilot setting. Next, turn off the cold water inlet valve and attach a garden hose to the outlet valve at the bottom of the tank. Run the hose outside on a downhill slant, then open the valve to start the draining process. To get the water really flowing out of the hose properly, you'll also need to flip open the pressure relief valve near the top of the tank to break the vacuum inside. Once the hot water drains, open the cold water valve to rinse out the tank and then reverse the process to restore normal operation. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.